What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance. It has the white interior, which looks cool, and the dash is white too. You have sport, track mode as well, autopilot. Here's your backup camera and side view cameras. And for the purpose of this test drive, let's go for sport mode. I personally do not like Tesla at all. I'm not a fan of Tesla. Anyone who knows me knows that very well. But I do have to admit the performance models are kind of cool. You know, if I had to pick any Teslas that I like, or kind of like, it would be the performance models, because they have Brembos. The wheels look a lot better than the ones on the bases, and they are really, really fast. Like, this is really quick. But one thing I did notice about the Model Y in general is the wind noise is horrible in these things, and we all know about Tesla's build quality and all that. Like, the wind noise is awful. I've driven a bunch of Model Ys, the standard range, long range, and the performance, and the wind noise is bad in all of them. The regen braking in sport mode is really, really aggressive. Yeah, for the most part, it's obviously very quiet in here, being an EV. Yeah, foot's completely off the brake, it brakes for you in an attempt to save range and stuff. But yeah, that instant torque is really helpful when you're trying to overtake in traffic, or just trying to get on the freeway on or off a ramp. It's nice in that instance for sure. I mean, who doesn't love a bunch of torque? Yeah, my foot's completely off the brake and it's braking pretty aggressively. I mean, regen braking obviously helps with charging and all that, but it can get a little annoying after a while. Like, you keep on lurching back and forth in your seat, especially if you have a heavy foot. I personally don't really like having no speedometer or gauge cluster. I like to have something in front of me. I mean, I wish this had like a head-up display so you could see your speed up on the windshield. In this car, that would be really helpful. Many cars don't even need a head-up display because you can see your speed in front of you, but this thing, it's in the center on a freaking iPad, which is annoying. I want to see how fast, I'd like to see my speed right in my line of sight. You have to keep looking over to see your speed, which can get dangerous. And then it's also annoying in these cars how you have to do everything from that stupid tablet in the center, right? Like, you have to, it's so distracting. To change your AC, you have to go here and go to 2 different menus to change your heated seats, all that. It's stupid. That's why sometimes having everything on a screen is not that great. I like having physical buttons for some stuff, like AC. I don't want to go through 3 different menus to change my freaking settings. And also, yeah, like to adjust the steering wheel and to adjust your mirrors and stuff. I wish they had buttons on the door too, because in this you have to go to a menu, use your steering wheel, and adjust your mirrors. Whenever you overcomplicate simple things, it becomes an issue for ergonomics. But yeah, I mean, this car is really quick, for sure. And the performance variants look pretty good, I can't lie. And the tech is really, really good. Like, autopilot's impressive for sure. When you can switch lanes on your by just putting the turn signal, the car will switch it for you. Well, let's do a quick walk around of this car before ending the video. This is the dark gray color, looks nice. You have these turbine wheels with the red Brembos, which look really cool, or high performance brake calipers. Dual motor badge, carbon fiber lip spoiler. Charger. Anyways, thanks for watching as always. Thanks for tuning into Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.